Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. Too many videos about stained glass, so I hope you find something of interest. Today is a clarion call, and I've done this once before. I'm writing a book about leaded glass, very specifically leaded glass, although of course some of the principles will cross over into copper foil. The last time I made a video like this, I was asking you what you wanted to know about designing for stained glass, because that was the chapter I was writing, and your comments have doubled the length of my chapter, and I just wish I'd asked for those comments before I started writing it, and then I wouldn't have had to shoehorn it all together, but it's all good. And actually I'm going to do a series of videos highlighting some of the things I've been writing about, because I think you'll find that quite useful. Today I want to know, what do you want to know about leading? So questions, problems, issues, options, anything you like. Maybe you don't have any questions about leading, but maybe you're burning with questions about leading. So I'm your woman, let me know, and I will put it all in my chapter on leading, and I'll probably also end up making some videos about it, because I'm always looking for new video ideas. So thank you very much for your support in watching my videos. If this is your first time, welcome. Please like, comment and subscribe. I actually do 2 videos a week, so if you press the bell button, you'll never miss an episode. How wonderful would that be? So yeah, thank you.